very, very heavy rainfall amounts. Let's check on Doppler storm scan now and see what it looks like. So we zoom in a little bit on central Iowa, looking at Des Moines. We're going out just a little over 30 or 40 miles here to pick up these storms in Boone County, stretching mainly across northern Story, where this storm has been now for about the last 3 or 4 hours, producing more than likely at least an inch plus rain per hour. So they're really getting pounded up in Zering and that neck of the woods up there. Well, let's cut away from this for a little bit.
By University of Chicago researcher claims there's a 40-year cycle in which the area most susceptible for dangerous twists
of sewer rates that will nearly double the average homeowner's sewer fee next month.
Or waterways, and residents of Story and Marshall counties are hoping they can hold up under the deluge. Anywhere from 2 to 10 inches of rain are being reported across central Iowa.
Category through the central and north central portions of the state. Basically where the thunderstorms formed is where they stayed. They weren't moving hardly at all. Rainfall amounts, some places reporting up to 10 inches unofficially north of Nevada, 9.80, Esterville unofficially 5.4. Officially, the heaviest amount was in Harcourt at 5.2. Ames picked up 4.21 and Zering almost 5 inches. Channel 5 radar right now, some stuff